Our project is Project Quench, a fire mitigation app. This app is a fire mitigation app specifically created in regards to the current wildfires in California and LA specifically. It's designed to help both civilians and firefighters assess fires in their area and the severity of such fires, and provide information for them to properly evacuate, prepare, and take care of the aftermath in such situations. So there are over 12,000 homes, businesses, schools, and other buildings that have been destroyed by these fires, and members of the team have specifically been directly impacted by these fires due to family and friends living in the area.
Now these are the features of our project. As far as the civilian features, civilians can receive alerts based on current news warnings of the severity of the danger in certain areas. The app provides locations of different shelters and finds the quickest location while still avoiding the fires that a resident can evacuate to. We also have assistance services where an AI-powered chatbot is provided to assist civilians with insurance claims over lost property or medical conditions, as well as give safety advice. We have a few additional features. Areas experiencing fires are displayed as a heat map. Viewers can simulate fire truck deployment from existing fire stations in the area. Optimal paths to extinguish the fires are provided. Numbers of potential fires existing and put out are continuously updated. Viewers can also display the fire hydrants in the area of their choosing. Avoidance patterns for evacuation are visualized on our map. Now for our demo. Alright, so this is our project. So we have our landing page here with an About Me. Our key features are real-time fire tracking prediction, AI-powered resource allocation, interactive mapping of fire stations and hydrants, and community alert system. So here we have a little toggle so we can enable and disable the different things that are here, and an info. So this is where we got our data sources from. Now, these red zones are alert areas, and the GIF spins faster the more severe of an alert it is. So if we enter in an address like this, we have an optimal path to get to a shelter, and it avoids all the fire locations. So as you can see, it avoids this giant heat map. Now we also have a neural network trained on OpenStreetMap data with the streets. It finds optimal locations for the fire trucks to be deployed and simulates them putting out the fires. Now this is trained with preference on the hotter areas being put in first. All right, so it uses a neural network to determine where these fire trucks will be sent out. I believe there's 5 fire trucks sent out per station. Now we also have a little chatbot named Bernie. So if we enter in something right here, he gives a punny and quirky answer. And this gives us some information on how to file insurance claims for lost property. For stations, we use LA City Open Data. For shelters, we web scrape that in from the Red Cross website. And for person to shelter navigation, we use Grasshopper. For fire truck to wildfire, we use Grasshopper, OpenStreetMap, TensorFlow, a neural network trained on smart decisions based on heat and brightness values, and we got that from NASA firms. For our locations, we use Google Maps API, and for our chatbot, we use Nebius API.